Shout out to my dear friend Michelangelo Mortellaro, my business partner in Fortress Asset Protection. I'm here in his office today. I split some of my time, half the week up here, and I came across this in their swag storage, so I figured I'd take this opportunity to post something for Fortress Asset Protection, right? So as we go along this journey to protect your nice stuff, hopefully we're protecting some assets for you, some personal property, some things that you've grown over time and held, family heirlooms and those kind of things. Jewelry oftentimes is, especially gold. This doesn't happen to be actual gold. These are Gasparilla beads. If any of you know or are familiar with the Tampa area, we'll be getting ready for Gasparilla in February. Stay tuned, by the way, for our special Fortress Asset Protection inaugural beads this year, but that's on a later date. But seeing these beads and thinking about gold and thinking about your assets really always makes me think about what are people doing to protect the things they have at home, right? So that's oftentimes they could have inherited gold jewelry, they could have inherited, watches, diamonds, and things like that. And oftentimes they don't even have them insured. I can tell you more often than not, we have clients that have some sort of family heirloom worth a considerable amount of money, and considerable could be, $500 or $50,000, depending on, what it means to you. So we always want to make sure that people have the correct, policies of insurance in place. Asset protection is not just about business entities, trusts, and all the rest of it. It's making sure that from a very foundational, basic, ground up level that you have the correct protections in place. So insurance is always a part of that for us. We all have our, pluses and minuses about what we think about the insurance industry. But for us to sit here and tell you that you don't need it, I think we'd be a little bit crazy. So always make sure that you have your stuff at home, and your stuff could be, worth whatever you say it's worth, and whatever, of course, an independent appraiser says it's worth. But if it's important to you, make sure it's protected. Hopefully it's worth a little bit more than these fake beads, but we did get some nice bling on there from our friends here at Mortellaro Law. Thanks and have a great day.